Following weeks of unprecedented student protests, a major political development has come in the form of resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Pradhan resigned after a month-long agitation over the alleged irregularities and the NEET paper leak controversy. Meanwhile, after the third round of talks between the government and the CJP, the protests were called off at Jantar Mantar. At the press conference after the meeting, the CJP leaders said that their demands, which was the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan and the withdrawal of FIRs against the protesters, were met by the government. Union Minister JP Nadda, who represented the government at the meeting, said that the government has accepted all the demands put out by the CJP and will consider the 5-point charter. Nadda asked the protesters to go home and work peacefully in the future. Listen to this.
एजुकेशन के एग्जामिनेशन के रिफॉर्म्स के लिए जो आपका चार्टर है उस पर हम गहन चिंतन भी करेंगे और आपके डेलीगेशन के साथ बातचीत करके जो कुछ भी हम डेलिब्रेट कर सकेंगे वो हम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। तो ये इनकी डिमांड्स थी। मेरे ख्याल से इन्होंने जो डिमांड्स रखी थी उन सबको सरकार ने सहानुभूतिपूर्वक माना भी है और एक्सेप्ट भी किया है।
विड्रॉल है वो भी शॉर्टली सरकार ने अश्योर किया है कि विड्रॉ हो जाएंगे। साथ साथ इन्होंने ये भी हम लोगों ने एग्री किया है कि फ्यूचर में कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा किसी भी प्रोटेस्टर के खिलाफ एंड सीजेपी की जो टीम है, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, उनके खिलाफ।
As news of the resignation spread, celebrations broke out at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, where thousands of students have been protesting for weeks now, and CJP leaders declared the movement a victory for student mobilization, saying sustained public pressure had forced public accountability. The resignation also sparked reactions across the political spectrum. Meanwhile, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has also reacted. Gandhi says that it's good that Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. Now the government has to take concrete steps to reform education.
उसको तो जाना ही था और अच्छा है कि वो गया, बट अब कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप्स एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदलने की सरकार को लेने पड़ेंगे।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge described the development as a victory for millions of young Indians demanding reform in the education system. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram called for a comprehensive debate on the structural issues affecting education. Former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal termed the resignation a victory for democracy, while Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia has praised the resolve of the country's youth. NCP leader and Lok Sabha MP Supriya Sule renewed calls for accountability, sweeping education reforms, and a detailed parliamentary discussion on the NEET controversy. Activist Sonam Wangchuk, whose 26-day hunger strike helped galvanize the movement, also welcomed the development and credited India's young generation for sustaining the nationwide campaign.
इस आंदोलन को जरूरत पड़े और कुछ आगे लेना हो या फिर अभी रोकना हो, जो भी करें बहुत ही शांति से करें। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं सरकार से कि इस बदलाव के साथ ही बहुत से और बदलाव भी लाएंगे शासन चलाने के तरीकों में भी।
With demands for institutional reforms and greater transparency in the country's examination system expected to dominate the political agenda.